Okay, so in this video we have the IR LED and the IR receiver. The Arduino On the Arduino, the tone melody program is loaded, and uh, the output, which is from the digital 8 of the Arduino, is given to the IR LED. As you can see, that purplish kind of blinking, that's from the IR LED. And this is the IR receiver. What we want to try out in this video is that maybe we could wirelessly transfer some sort of song or video through this particular, like a short distance transmission. So, and the output of this IR receiver is given to the mic of the laptop. And the FFT program is running in the background, and the maximum frequency values are getting printed onto the terminal. Let's see what happens. Okay, so what's happening really is this IR LED, which is blinking, that the digital pulse is getting transmitted through this gap and onto this IR receiver, which is getting transmitted onto the mic. What I've done is I've looped the whatever is coming through the mic through the speaker, so that's why you're able to hear it. This doesn't necessarily need to be the tone melody program. It could as well be a simple PWM code. If I load that onto the Arduino, so that's around 979 hertz. So if I change this to and you load that onto the Arduino, you get around 500 hertz. You get around close to around 500 hertz. So there you go. Bye bye.